These are the replacement rubber feet for the Wolf Cooktop. Here you see this, the 6-burner cooktop. This was an easy replacement here. They just basically slide in each point right here. It's each one of these has 3, so you don't want to pick up 18 of these. I ordered them wrong, so I had to place a second order to get in. I have 2 extra now. But these were a direct replacement. You can see here, it sits on here nice and level. So before I had these on here, the previous person took all these off here. It was just sitting metal to metal. This made sure all the pots and pans are gonna be level on here. And it's a nice, easy upgrade for your old burners. It just fits right in here. I did add a little tab of liquid glue in each one of these to make sure they're safe and secure and they're not gonna come out. So they do sit in there. They're not too, you definitely want to add some adhesive in there, whatever you're going to do, a glue gun, adhesive, something just to make sure they stay in here. But once they're in, they're in. It's a really nice, easy setup here. Again, direct replacement. Pick these up. You're going to need 18 of them if you have the 6-burner stove. Each one of these has 3 of them on here, but it's a really nice upgrade, and it definitely will keep the pots and pans leveled.